My name is Dr. Jeff Davis. I'm board certified in family medicine. I've been working with Bonvera for the last few years to help them develop a nutraceutical line that really serves as a foundation for many of the products that I use in my own practice. So my training is in functional medicine. For years, as a family doctor, I felt like I was giving a pill for every problem. And I went back and spent years, 3 or 4 years, in training in functional medicine so that I could begin addressing the root cause of problems. Functional medicine is something that's fairly new in most people's minds, but it really, in my mind, goes back to why I became a doctor. I love problem solving. In functional medicine, we look to find out what's causing people's symptoms rather than just cover the symptom with a specific medication. We're always looking to see what the root cause of their problem is. One of the problems that I've seen in my practice is that there are so many medications that are out there. Every year we have more and more medications that are developed to fix specific problems. We've actually gotten to a point where we're developing medications to fix problems that other medications have caused. In my own practice, I've really seen that the most important thing we can do is get back to lifestyle basics: sleep, nutrition, exercise, movement. And so these are really the foundations of how I treat people. I first want to know, what are they eating? Where's their stress coming from? How are they handling those things? And in that practice, I have to use certain tools. And so a lot of the tools that I use, I've been able to bring to Bonvera, things that I feel are foundational in the functional medicine world. So in functional medicine, a lot of the problems that we're dealing with are that people are not assimilating the basic micronutrients that they need. And when there's micronutrient deficiencies, they have a profound effect in multiple areas of their lives. It was very important to me when I started in functional medicine that I found the best products. What I learned is that most of the things that you find in the store, over the counter, these products are not high quality. They might say that they have something on the label, but they truly don't have that inside the capsule. And then the big problem we run into in the supplement industry is that these micronutrients are not in the correct form. They're not in their most bioavailable form. It's not something that the human body would be able to easily assimilate. So one of the great things about the product line that we have at Bonvera is this is developed by scientists who had this passion for finding the most high quality micronutrients in their most bioavailable form. And then the thing that was most important to me was that these products were backed by a certificate of analysis. The certificate of analysis, the reason that's important is that when we say something's on the label, we have a third-party company who comes in and tests that product and actually verifies that everything that we say on that label is there and in the correct form. And more importantly, we make sure that there's nothing in that bottle that's not supposed to be there. So these things are tested for heavy metals, they're tested for microcontamination, for molds and fungi. All of those things are critically important to me if I'm going to be using these in my own practice.